Here's a closer look at our numbers here in Georgia tonight. More than 2,400 new cases were reported today. That is just slightly above our 14-day average shown here with the dotted line you see as we see the trend continue to go up. Also, the number of people needing medical care, that's also on the rise. That's not what we want to see. The state reported 185 more people hospitalized just since yesterday. Overall, there are just under 2,000 people currently so sick they need hospital care. That is the highest we have seen this month. So listen to this. If you are traveling out of state for Thanksgiving, you got to keep this in mind that some states and cities are a little bit more strict about COVID safety measures than here in Georgia. Here are the states you need to watch. On the West Coast, California, Oregon, and Washington just started requiring out-of-state visitors to self-quarantine for 2 weeks. Most of the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states also have statewide travel restrictions, like requiring you to fill out a form, quarantine, and also provide a negative test before you can enter. Also, be aware of any city-level restrictions. Wisconsin, Kentucky, and neighboring South Carolina also have recommendations, but not restrictions in place.